Welcome back to Top 5 Trey. In this video, I'll be giving you a straightforward review of the Attack Shark R1 wireless gaming mouse. It's an affordable model with promising features like multiple connection modes, low weight, and high DPI tracking. Let's break down how well it actually performs. Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. The R1 is built for light handling. It weighs only 59 grams, which helps with fast movements during gameplay. The body has a clean, simple look with a slightly curved shape. It's compact, so it works better for small to medium hands. If you prefer a bigger grip, this may feel a bit too small. The finish is smooth but not slippery. However, some people might want to add grip tape for extra control. It comes with the PixArt 3311 sensor, which supports up to 18,000 DPI. This is more than enough for most games. Cursor tracking is responsive and steady, especially when using it in wired mode or through the 2.4 GHz dongle. That said, there have been reports of the wireless connection stuttering, especially if there's interference. Keeping the dongle close to the mouse usually solves that. The mouse supports 3 connection types: wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth. This makes it useful for both gaming setups and casual use with laptops. The built-in battery is decent, lasting up to 65 hours on one charge. A full recharge takes around 2 hours. It's good enough for long sessions, but not the best in the category. There are 6 buttons, all of which can be reprogrammed through its software. The main buttons use Huanyu white dot switches, rated for around 20 million clicks. The side buttons feel a little recessed and may take some getting used to. The scroll wheel has clear steps and is easy to control. The software allows changes to DPI levels, polling rate, and basic macro setup. In actual use, the mouse handles well for FPS games and fast-paced tasks. The lightweight really helps with flick shots and quick aiming. However, the glide isn't as smooth as high-end mice, and some users upgrade the skates for better performance. If you're playing competitively, that small change can make a difference. Now, the downsides. The main issue is wireless stability. Some users have noticed input lag or sudden disconnects. Also, the software is pretty basic. It works, but it lacks advanced tuning. And while the build is fine for the price, it doesn't feel as refined as premium models. The Attack Shark R1 offers good value for casual and mid-level gamers. You get multiple connection options, decent battery life, and solid tracking in a lightweight body. But if you expect flawless wireless performance or a high-end feel, you might want to look at other options. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less. So be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely gonna be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.